Hello and welcome, this is Mario from fxotherway channel. The biggest problem for beginners and intermediate traders is to find the right method to determine where to enter the market and where to open a position. Most beginner traders do the opposite. They buy tops and they sell bottoms. If you'd like to know the method of how to find the right moment to enter the market, this video is just for you. Watch it to the end because during this video I will give you all the necessary settings. So let's start the rock and roll. Sometimes it's enough to draw a single trend line like this one, but it is much better to get another confirmation, another filter, just to have your system working more efficient. So I just found a way to find such a setting for indicator that it can tell me exact points where I can enter the market. So it's another confirmation of this trend line. For example, I got another confirmation here to get into the market. So let me show you, let me build it up for you, and I'll give you the settings during this video. So watch it carefully. Most traders use moving averages and put them straight onto the chart, and in this way they are trying to predict the places where the market change trend. I found another use of moving averages. Let me show you how I do it. So let's say we've got a trend line like here, and we've got the trend line here. All right, that's the one. So we got the confirmation, but we are not sure in this place is it going to fall or is it going to continue the trend. So let me show you how I do it. First of all, I get and I draw a simple relative strength index. You may use any other index you want. Was the relative strength index? I'm not sure. Yes, it was. Yeah, that's the one. So we've got the relative strength index, and I just get rid of it. I mean, I make a color to known. The color goes to known and it disappears from here. Then the next thing I do, I get a trend indicator. The most popular trend indicator, as you guess, is moving average. So I get moving average. I drag it here. I use it over here. I put period. First, I got period 89 here. 89, and it's exponential moving average applied to close with the color green. Oh, it's not here. I have to change it. Once again, I have to apply it to the, not to close, I have to apply it to the first indicated data. Would it work? No, it wouldn't. I have to get rid of it. Okay, let me delete it and do it once again. Moving average, I move it here and apply to first indicator data. Here we go. We got lovely moving average over here. And I add another one over here as well. Let me drag another one here. Change the color to yellow, and this one, this is simple moving average, and this is with a period of 8, very fast one, and applied to first indicator data. Here we go. So at the moment we got those two moving averages, which are not the averages of the price, they are the averages of indicator of relative strength index. So now next, as you see, every time it makes a cross, the price falls. But it's not that simple and not that easy. I told you before that we use it as a confirmation. So for example, when you see the price fallen here already, the trend line was crossed. This trend line was crossed. But we haven't had confirmation yet over here. This moving average faster one, the 8, is already below the 89 moving average of RSI. So it's not our signal. Our signal we get over here. We got the cross, and the next candle, it's cross over here, and that's the place where we should open our selling position. Boom. That's how it works. So it's same story the other way. Let's get rid of this one and let's draw another trend line, this case in a downtrend. So we got the downtrend, and what you say, we've got the crossover here, but the signal we get already here. This is the area where the signal appeared. So this cross, the first one, let me make it bigger for you. I will show you how it works. So we should get some signals. We might get somewhere over here, but our signal from this moving average, it happens in this place. This is our filter. Here was the signal, and here we buy. Probably the stop loss would be at the end of this candle or on the low of those two candles. And here is the next move of this price. And here the story repeats again. Look, we got another moving average. And we've got another signal somewhere here. The price is over, but it didn't cross yet. The proper cross appears later on somewhere here. Again, stop loss here, take profit wherever it comes. You can keep it to the end. When you make it smaller, you will see that the take profit might be even somewhere here or even there. You can open, close, and invest in swings. So sell, buy. That's the way how it works. Even more important setting for this system, for this method, is to change the period of RSI, which is much better. Let me show you. We are changing RSI period. We put input instead of 14, we put 5. We make a very fast RSI. We make OK, we close it, and now you see the signal appears earlier. The signal appearing earlier gives us the bigger chance of make more money. At least you got the signal on this log candle. So here we got to get 30 pips, and 30 pips is stop loss. It's 1-to-1. But whatever, that's how it works like that. Nothing is perfect. Nothing is perfect. I recommend you to check it. It works on all time frames. Look, we got another time frame on daily. Same story. You see, you can catch all those movements, especially like this one. You can see you got the signal here. Every signal works. This method, guys, work on one candle system. As soon as you get the signal on daily, wherever you get it, here is the signal on daily, you might play even one candle system. It's like here, and wait, you put stop loss two candles below, and that's it, and wait for the next one to go. Here is the same story. We got the signal here. Look, we got the signal here somewhere. All right, somewhere here. We just put stop loss here wherever it comes over here, and we might get some money. On daily it works. Euro USD, it's not the best example, but let me tell you, it really works. Look, this is the signal, you buy here. Here is the signal, you sell. We are on daily. Those movements are 80 or 50 pips. So it's money to be made on every such a signal. Obviously, it needs a trend line, as I told you at the beginning. So watch my other videos. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like button, and I'll see you next time. Take care.